Hey, today I'll show you how to remove the background in Photoshop, and if you are a beginner, I promise you by the end of this video you don't need to watch any other tutorial because I have included everything in this one and I will make it extremely easily so everybody can understand. So I have downloaded this picture from Pexel. It's a great website from where you can take free pictures, and we'll try to cut out this car and we'll try to create a PNG out of it. So first of all, let's learn the absolute basic in Photoshop, the controls. If you want to zoom in a picture or zoom out, you have to hold the Alt on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel to zoom in. So hold the Alt and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. And the other control is very important, the space bar. Hold the space bar and drag the picture with your left click, and this way you can navigate and move through the picture. Now that being said, you know how to zoom in with the Alt, move left, right, up and down with the space bar. Let's start. Once you will open a picture in Photoshop, it will look something like that. First of all, you will have to unlock the picture. You will find the lock here in the bottom right corner. I will press on it, so I will unlock the picture, and let's see with what tool can we cut this car. We don't have a perfect background because it's not a single color, green or white or anything else. We have a complex background behind it. So we'll use first the object selection tool, which you can find it right here. You either press on it or you press W to select it. Either you press on it right now, as you can see I have this purple cover on my car, or either I can include everything in a square if I hold my square with my left click. And let's release it and let's see if Photoshop can see something. It took the car, let's have a look. It took the car pretty nice somewhere, but I don't want that part. I need also this part, and yeah, I have to remove this green. I have to exclude that hole right there. And we have some imperfections. Oh, it took that pipe, extremely nice. And we have some stuff to repair. So right now, let's see how can we make that perfect. It took the trim, man. So press once here on the object selection tool. With your right click, use the second one, which you have right here is the quick selection tool. And I will put my brush, as you can see, it's very small, it's on 10. I will put it on 7 for now. And let's see, if you want to exclude something while you have the object selection tool selected, now if you hold Alt on your keyboard and with your left click, at the same time you can exclude some parts of the picture. And if you want to include something, as an example, this, what is that? The handlebars, I think, of the car. If you want to include something in a picture, while you select the same tool, the quick selection tool, and if you hold Shift at the same time, you will tell Photoshop, hey, I need this part to include that in my PNG. So with holding Alt, you can exclude, and with holding Shift, you can include something in a PNG. And if I will hold my space, don't forget you can navigate, and holding just Alt and your mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now what I have to do, I have to go around the picture and see what mistakes Photoshop did, and I will have to repair them. Don't forget, if you want to modify the brush, you can do it from here. Mine is on 7 pixel. I will go to 100, but this one is too big. And if you need something extremely sensitive, you can go to 1 pixel and zoom in that much and do your stuff. So I will get back to you once I check the surroundings of the car. The time lapse you see right now is 3 minutes long. If you want to get over it, skip to minute 6 and second 51, or if you want to stay and watch every step I took, feel free to do so. Alright, and I think I'm done. When I downloaded the picture I thought it'll be pretty easy, but it turns out now it's pretty complex. But I'm done. I've gone around the whole picture and I've selected and deselected every picture as I told you have to. And now I think it's done. We'll have to repair some stuff I've seen earlier, as an example this yellow reflection, and I think that was the only thing I saw. Okay, now anyway, once you selected the whole picture, the whole thing which you want to cut from a picture, you have to press Ctrl and C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. And now as you can see in the bottom right corner we have another layer. Nice. Now I just created another project, so one with a black background and one with white background. Let's copy this layer, again Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V right here, and now Ctrl and T to readjust the size of the layer we just which we just cutted, and it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna lie to you. Yeah, some mistakes here, but we can repair them. And oh, I don't have to repair them. They are stones in the wheel. Okay, they will stay there then. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty done. I'm a professional. Now let's paste again the picture on the white background to have a look on a white background. Yeah, it's perfect, my man. What is that? I can see, oh, I can see here the line. On a white background I've noticed something which shouldn't be there, that line, okay. But beside that line, okay, here is another thing which I'll have to repair, and here I have some more. Alright, once you pasted the PNG in another project with another background where you can see all the mistakes, we have some other tools with which we can repair those mistakes. We'll use these tools, rectangular marquee tool and the lasso tool. Now let's use the rectangular marquee tool to show you how you can repair the mistakes with them. Select the tool, and now you have to drag a square and release the click. And now if I press delete, everything which will be inside it will be deleted, okay. And you can also repair the PNG with the lasso tool. Let's select it, and what we have to do, again, we have to include everything which we want to delete inside this. Cross the lines, very important, and release the click. Now if you press on delete, everything will be deleted from inside that. You will just have to cross the lines, okay. And I repaired that. Here I have another line. Let's repair this also. Include everything inside. Beautiful. And let's delete also these pixels. Alright. Have I seen something else? Yeah, I think that was it. Just in case if you want to know how to remove something from inside, as an example, if you want to take those stones out, you will have to use the healing brush. You either press J, hold J, okay, or either you'll find the tool right here. You have two of these tools. Let's use the spot healing brush tool. Again, you can select here the size of the brush, okay, and if you hold the left click, you will tell Photoshop, hey, I want you to repair what's inside there, okay. And with Ctrl and Z you can undo some mistakes, okay. Ctrl and Z, undo. Let's take that stone also. I have few more pixels right here. Let's use the lasso tool. I didn't saw them. Alright, then I'm done. I repaired the entire image and I don't have any other mistake. Now what you have to do, the final step, how to export this PNG. Maybe you want to create a portfolio of PNGs, maybe you want to use that later. Let's see how can we cut this PNG. You will see the layer in the bottom right corner, select it, then right click on it and you'll find here quick export as PNG. I will save it wherever you want. I will save it on desktop and I will name it car._png and press on save. And now if I will go on desktop, I can find my PNG, my car PNG right here. So this was the tutorial how to remove the background in Photoshop. I hope this helped you out to cut something and to remove the background. I hope you have a great day.